So I decided to test my game today because I had some music in here that was playing to see if it was breaking. And this music that's playing right now is made by Roblox, so it is not broken yet. But now I've reached a roadblock, pun intended, and my music, Festival of Eggs here, which is not made by Roblox, will not play. And I don't have it muted, as you can see. You turn it on and off and it still won't play. Now I won't be able to use the original music that I'd really like to, but I'll try and find something as close as possible. So let's go ahead and look through here. what is that doing on here? That shouldn't be allowed. That's made by someone other than Roblox. I don't know why, but it took like 10 years to load. But here's all the, the 10,000 audios, also named Festival. So I searched something close to what I originally had, and maybe that'll help me find something. So I found this one. This one sounds pretty nice. It sounds pretty reasonable. Might even be better than the one I had. Let's try adding that to my game. And you know what? We're gonna remove all the other ones that weren't able to be played. We're gonna go ahead and open up Studio here. And all right, the output is already telling me that it cannot load the sounds. All right, so let's open up that audio plugin. Here's the view sounds. I got 4 audios to replace. Alert 2, so that's used by the admin. I can just get rid of that. Oh no, it's in the script. Okay, I found it pretty quick. They're right here. Sound ID for error notifications, and that's probably 314. That's the one we have to delete, so we just get rid of that. And there's one here, and this one's also forever HD, so it's probably in there. Oh, found it. It's right under here. We'll just put, it's probably raining tacos. No. Let's see. So this, crash, they're gone. Great, so my copy and paste function's broken right now. Clipboard's just screwed up somehow, so I gotta manually copy it over. Yeah, I found some really good, calm or nice audios while searching for them. So we're gonna replace all of them, and we're gonna see if the scripts have broken at all. Looks like all of the audio checks out, and I did test, and my music script works now. But the HD admin script does not work, which means I have to have an audio in there. I ended up finding one that's still made by someone that's less than 6 seconds. All right, there we go. We have an audio in there, and it's just a little alert sound. Let's see. There we go. Admin works again. Woohoo! And so that's pretty much it. I think that was pretty easy. No, dude, I just can't be sympathetic anymore. It really wasn't that hard to change all of that. And it took me like, what, 20 seconds to fix broken scripts. So you've literally just got to be lazy to not replace your audio. I mean, buying a license isn't that hard if you want that exclusive, like, rap music in your game or something, which no one really does besides boomboxes. Big fat F to the boomboxes and all the boombox game passes. Nobody's gonna be missing you. Besides some a few annoying kids. Also, by the way, you got to think about it. If someone else already uploaded the audio before you, is it going to really be that much more difficult to take it into your own hands and go find that audio and download it and use it? Because if they got past the copyright, it's not going to be that hard for you to either. And that's even if it's copyrighted in the first place. It could be copyright free. All right, and so that's going to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next thing, video, whatever.